Now let's move on to the final module in the platform, Endpoint Management. Think of Endpoint Management as your lightweight RMM, remote monitoring and management tool, baked right into the platform. It's designed to give you direct control over your fleet without needing additional agents or solutions. Within Endpoint Management, there are two core capabilities you'll be using regularly: actions and checks. We'll cover both in detail across separate videos, but in this one, let's take a quick walkthrough through the actions section and zoom in on a few important ones in depth. To explore what actions you can perform, head over to the top right corner and click the Actions button. As you'll see, there's quite a range of controls available here. Now, I'm not going to go over every bell and whistle in this video, but let's start with one of the most impactful controls: application and device control. And of course, like everywhere else in the platform, we support Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, so you can manage your fleet across all major OS environments. Under Application and Device Control, you can choose to block specific applications, unblock them if previously blocked, disable hardware devices like USBs, and enable them when needed. It's a powerful capability for endpoint hardening. One of the most common workflows here involves using asset exposure first, let's say to detect the presence of unauthorized or risky software like AnyDesk. Once flagged, you can jump into Endpoint Management and instantly block that application from being used, or even uninstall it across all affected endpoints. Let's walk through an example. Say you want to block AnyDesk from your environment. You can select specific devices, or better yet, apply the policy across a group of devices using tags like Finance Department or Remote Workers. Tags let you enforce policy with surgical precision. Once you've selected the devices and the application to be blocked, you can define when this policy takes effect, either immediately or at a specific time that aligns with your IT schedule. And just like that, AnyDesk is now blocked on your endpoints, without needing a separate tool, script, or manual effort. This helps you tighten control, reduce exposure, and maintain policy compliance in real time. Another great example of how you can use this module: imagine a critical security incident is unfolding and you need to disable USB ports on all laptops temporarily. Maybe you're trying to prevent data exfiltration or enforce a zero-trust policy in a high-risk scenario. You can use the same workflow to disable USBs fleet-wide and re-enable them just as easily when the threat passes. The ability to take real-time, surgical action like this, without delay or complexity, is what makes endpoint management such a vital part of the platform. To learn more about specific actions or explore how checks can help you monitor endpoints for file changes, suspicious processes, or unauthorized applications, make sure to check out our other videos in this series.